What is up, guys? It's your boy Ed, and today we're gonna test out a product that I bought. It's for the trim coat. The trim on the parts, so it's plastic parts. And the product I got was Cerakote trim coat. So this is how the product looks like. I'll show you guys right now. So this is the product I got, as you guys can see. It's a guaranteed 200 washes, and let's check the back. You guys can check that out. So where I'm gonna test this is gonna be on my 2013 Honda Civic Si. It's gonna be right here on this plastic, because it's already like fading out. So not that bad, but it was worse. But I put a little bit of wax. It helped it out. I don't know if you guys are able to see that, but yes, I don't know if the camera picks it up. There's a little bit of fading right there, and like right there. It's like right there, you guys can see. And where I'm gonna test it out too, it's gonna be like up here on this little trim, and sort of like right here too. So other than that, oh, by the way, guys, you guys gotta have to keep this in a cool touch, not in a hot state, because if you do it on a hot state, it's gonna turn like a milky type of thing. It's not gonna apply well. So it recommends you to do it on a cool touch. So here's the open product. It brings 2 pairs of gloves, and it brings 10 little pads. So we're gonna try it out right now. And so I have the little alcohol pads also, because I'm gonna be cleaning the part where I'm gonna apply the Cerakote coating, and just so it can apply better. But other than that, that's what it brings, and we're gonna test it out right now and see how good it is. So I did half of it, which is from right here to all over there. I have some leaves right there, because I have a tree right here in the back of me, so it's leaves falling down. But other than that, so this is the part where it's not coated, and this is the part where it is coated. You guys can tell the difference right there. Coated, not coated. So that's how it's looking right now. It's bringing up the shininess back, so it looks pretty good. I'm gonna try to finish the other side, so you guys can see the whole how it looks. And I think I'm gonna let it dry for like 30 minutes and then add a second coat on top of the first coat, if that's even possible. But I don't know, just trying to test it out. So let's get to it. So yesterday, my battery died. I tried recharging it, and it got super dark. I tried coming out and tried doing it, but I don't have the super lighting or whatever. So I just ended it. But we're gonna try to finish it today. It's like 7:30 in the morning right now. Super early. Let me check. Like 7:30. So we're gonna try to finish this, and I'm gonna show you how it looks right now in the morning. The coat that I applied in the front. So here it goes. So this is how it looks in the morning. All this I applied. All this. As you can tell, looks pretty good. Yeah. I'm gonna try to give it another wipe. They're wipes. I thought they were pads, but they're wipes. Other than that, oh, one thing I forgot to tell you guys: when you're applying this, and it gets on your paint, try to wipe it off as quick as you can, or in the window. That thing dries up, and it's real hard to take it off. It happened to me, like on the little over there by the window, right there, and it was like a pain to take it off. But other than that, try to wipe it off as quick as you can, especially on your paint, because that thing is gonna probably come off or something. I don't know, but just wipe it off with the microfiber towel, and you'll be good. So other than that, let's get to it. saw everything. As you can see, it does work. I would recommend this product so you guys can try it out. It works real nice. It restored the trims. As you guys saw, I didn't finish last night, so I did it in the morning, and it withstood the overnight, I guess. But other than that, it works like a charm. So stay tuned, subscribe, because I'm gonna get back into my truck. If you guys want to see anything on the Honda Civic Si, let me know, because I'm gonna be doing some little stuff on it too. I'm gonna change the headlights, and I'm gonna add exhaust, full racing exhaust. So stay tuned, subscribe, like. Thank you. Peace out.